Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is Qayyum from Q's Basic Cooking, and I'm going to be making today some zinger burgers. And for zinger, I'm using the boneless chicken thighs. I already cleaned them, washed them, took the fats off, and now I will pound them in a little bit. So for marinade, I will be using the green sauce that almost tastes like uh, jerk sauce, and then regular mustard, some white vinegar, and I have hot sauce and the sriracha mustard in that little container. I will add some vinegar to it and then mix it. Then we have salt, red pepper, and we have onion powder with parsley. So that's the setting for today's recipe. Yep, so let's get started. And if I know my family, they will want some french fries with it. So I'm soaking some potatoes already cut, clean, peeled, and soaking in salty water. So I'll be making french fries. If you have not watched my video on crispy french fries, on the side of your screen you will see a little white dot, I believe, with a symbol in the middle of it. So if you touch it, you will be able to see my video for the crispy french fries. I'll make sure I include it. Alrighty, so we are ready to marinate the chicken now. Okay, so to pound the chicken, you can use the back of your knife, big knife, like that, or you can use a meat pounder. So why I'm doing this is because I want the meat to get a little, let me see. Alright, so this will help all the marinade to absorb in the chicken. So when I fry the chicken, it will be very tasty and yummy. If we go first straight, and then take this, I'm holding the camera so it might shake a little bit. Alright, so you see how it is now? This is good. So as you can see, I use that word so too much, sorry about that. The chicken we're pounding right now, we are trying to make it tender, but we don't want to kill it, see, just tender. So I'm going to turn it to the other side and do the same thing. Other side, the skin is a little tougher, so we don't want to cut it, but we will pound it a little bit. Okay, so now both sides are done, and I'm going to marinate the chicken right now. Okay, this here is already vinegar, mustard, sriracha and brown mustard, and hot sauce. So I'll be adding, let me see if I can work with this hand, like half a teaspoon of salt, optional, because it's always according to your taste and needs. And we have chili powder, optional, that's why I put them in separately. And then we have onion powder with parsley, 1 teaspoon, that is optional too because it's salty. So all these 3 extra things, and the green sauce is also optional, because if you don't like the taste of I don't know what I should explain it, what kind of a taste is, I forgot now. Alright, so let's mix this. Okay, there we go. And going to squeeze half a lime over the chicken. Alright, this zinger is going to sing, I promise you. Alright, so pour it over and make sure it's evenly distributed on both sides. Okay, and here we need the cooking oil to fry the chicken. Today is not Friday, but we are going to fry some chicken in some French fries. Alrighty. While the oil is heating up, let's get started with the chicken. Right here, if you can see. Okay, we have to put it in here like that, and then you just go like this. Go like this. Other people will tell you to use other recipes call for buttermilk, but I'm not using buttermilk. I'm just going to, in Urdu, जैसे मसलते जाओ उसको आटे में डाल के. So that's what I'm doing. So you see how it's becoming? Alright. So that's what we need. That's why we pounded the chicken. And that's what we're doing now. We're making the crumbs. Tell me about it. How does it look? Okay. Okay, so we are heating up the oil on medium to low heat. And it's about ready now. Let's find out. Here comes the chicken. Okay. We are going to let that fry like 3 to 4 minutes on each side. It's coming along nicely, and the color, you can see the color changing. Make sure it's medium to high, otherwise the chicken will be uncooked from inside. Let me show you how it's coming along. You can see. How's that? Good, right? ये तो कितना हो गया? 15 मिनट हो गया. माय गॉड, ये सारा काटना पड़ेगा. ऑलराइट, हमारे बन की सिकाई हो गई है. अब हम इसको थोड़ा सा मेयो लगाएंगे दोनों साइड पे, इधर भी और इधर भी, और इसके ऊपर हम लेटस रखेंगे. थोड़ी सी लेटस रख दीजिए फैला के, और उसके ऊपर हम अपने जिंगर को रखेंगे. मज़ा आ रहा है ना? और उसके ऊपर फिर हम थोड़ी सी मेयो फैला देंगे, जिसमें मैंने थोड़ा सा नींबू और थोड़ा सा काली मिर्च डाली है. ओके, चाहें तो उसको बॉटल में से डाल लें और फिर आप इसको बंद कर दें.
That's why I'm sure that day off is too hot.